been missing in action, but I've just been watching so many wonderful hauls of all these wonderful gems that you all are finding, and I was just so inspired to just return to making some videos. So I found a few gems of my own. If this is your first time watching my channel, thank you for passing by my channel. If you have returned, welcome back. I am going to start my video by telling you a few items of what I'm wearing right now that I've purchased from the Dollar Tree. For instance, the hair clip that I have on is from the Dollar Tree. The nail polish that I have on, which I absolutely love because it's a nice green color for the holidays, is from this 4-pack of the mini nail polish act, and this is my new color, and this is a wonderful stocking stuffer because I was so obsessed with the color. I went searching for the color and I was able to find that Kiss Gel had it. It doesn't give you the name, it just gives you a number, DTGNPO4, and this is a Kiss Gel Shine. Moving on, I have a foundation that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree, and this is the Intuitive Blend by Wet n Wild, and this is a shade adjusting foundation primer. So what it is I'm going to show you. It's basically you squeeze a little bit, it comes out clear, you rub it against your face, and it's just little beads that just formulate into the shade that is best for you. So it's really nice because it comes with the primer. And this is what I have on right now on my face. That's crazy. That was a candle. I like that bubbly sound. And this shade is medium and 177 by Wet n Wild. So that's what I have on my face. And also the blush that I'm wearing is the flower one that you all have been hauling, the Flower brand by Drew Barrymore. I actually saw this at Walgreens for a lot more. And this is the Transforming Touch Powder to Cream Blush in TT2. I have this on my face now as my blush. And I found the lip creams by Wet n Wild, and what I'm wearing right now is this one called Melon It Like It Is, like telling it like it is. So this is what I have on my lips now. And I also picked up a pink shade. This is the only two colors that I was able to find, and this one is called Dull So Hard. So that's nice. This is more of a summer spring color. And the eyelashes that I'm wearing are the Ionis, also from the Dollar Tree. And the ones that I have on are called Big Bang. So yeah, totally Dollar Tree inspired. The eyeshadow is not Dollar Tree though. I think it's e.l.f. But the shampoo that I use on my hair was also picked up at the Dollar Tree. And this is by the Desange Paris Nutrition Auxiliary. And this is on the Deep Nutrition, Deep Nourishing, why can't I say that word? Deep Nourishing System Shampoo. And this has Sacha Inchi Oil for dry hair. And I was able to find the conditioner as well. So washed my hair and I loved how it smells. It smells really nice. It has like that nice fresh salon scent. Found that, loved it. Picked up 2 of those. Then what else? Oh yes guys, I found the SGX NYC products. These products are for much more. They're anywhere from $8 to $10. And this is the So Whipped. This is the only one that I did not try yet. And this is 7 ounces. And it's So Whipped mousse for frizz-free curls. I tried. This is the first one I tried and I loved it. This is a brunette tint of color dry shampoo. I tried it a few days ago and it almost gave my highlights like a different kind of tone. I loved how it looked. So this is nice. This is a 6.5 ounce and it's for medium and dark brown tones. It absorbs the oil and it leaves no white residue. So it does have a tint. Like when you spray, you see like a little tint, but it's not messy. It doesn't stay on your fingers or anything. Try that one. I also tried the Bodyguard, which is it's a thermal defense spray. This you can use before you are going to blow out your hair or you're going to flat iron it. This is a nice protective spray. And it says it's 450 heat for thermal defense, and it's a 24-hour humidity shield. And this is also in 7 ounces, so I picked up a few bottles of these. And then I also picked up the Under Control Finishing Spray, and also this is a little bigger, 8.5 ounce. I tried it, loved it. This is a medium hold. I mean, guys, this is a great product. And for $1, I mean, you can't ask for more. You can't. And I also tried the Clean Slate Detoxifying Dry Shampoo. This has like a nice fresh scent. Loved it also. So I was very happy with these products. And then I also tried, oh no, I didn't try. I also purchased the same brand as the shampoo, but in the hair mask. And this one is called the Deep Nourishing System Mask, and the same thing as the shampoo with the Sacha Inchi oil. And this is a mask. And what does it say? Okay, it says after you shampoo, apply on wet hair from the mid-lengths to the ends and leave on for 3 to 4 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. You can use this twice a week in place of your conditioner. So this is good. Nice stocking stuffer. You can even make a nice little spa basket. And then I also found the purifying clay in same brand of Desange, and this is the Balancing System Pre-Shampoo Mask with mineral clay for oily roots and unbalanced scalp. And this is before shampooing. So before you shampoo your hair on dry, apply generously. Oh, and it comes with a little brush. Interesting. So this is before. So it says before shampooing hair on dry hair, apply generously to your roots using the professional application brush that it comes with. And then you rinse thoroughly in case of contact with your eyes, and you rinse immediately. Interesting. Okay, so this is a little brush. Oh, so this is the before and that's the after. Okay, 5.1 fluid ounce. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, it smells like it's clay for oily roots and unbalanced scalp. Okay, so that's before you shampoo with the brush. And then I guess this one is the after when you condition your hair. Okay, very interesting. I'll tell you, for $1 you can't beat that. Moving along, where should I? Okay, this bad boy right here. Look at this. Miss Spa Deep Wrinkle Hydrogel Facial Mask with Caviar Extract, and it targets nooks and crannies. This is about $5 because I already priced it. And the other day, my daughters did a spa night for me, and they put this on my face, and I loved it. It feels so good on my skin. The only thing is that you do have to leave it on for a good amount of time. It says 45 minutes. But while you're doing that, you can do like a foot mask, hand mask, and that's exactly what I found. I found hand and nail gloves. It nourishes, softens, and uplifts your hands, and you get one pair for $1. It says you could leave it on for 20 minutes, and I guess you end up with nice soft hands. Okay. So that, and then I found the foot mask. These are ultra moisturizing, nourishing, and it softens your feet. This one is recommended for 15 to 30 minutes. So it's like a little sock that you put on. So I picked up a few of these because, like I said, I want to make little spa baskets. Sorry. And then I also found these melting sugar face masks. It says you get 3 to 4 uses out of them. And this one is the lemon meringue, and it's for oil absorbing skin, and it's 1.18 fluid ounces. And this one is the matcha ice cream, and it's also 3 to 4 uses and 1.18 fluid ounces, and this is for pore clearing skin. So that was nice. And I thought this was a great deal because you get 2 masks. You get a charcoal one for polishing, and you get a Neon Vibes stress absorbing clay mask. So that's cool because when you put it on, it has like the neon color. And 2. Usually one of these masks are about $3 to $4. So 2 for $1.50 each, not bad. And then I found these L'Oreal hair masks. I found the one for damaged hair. This says that you can leave it on for 5 minutes. Sorry, I think I have something in my nose. And it's sulfate-free intense repair hair sheet mask for 5 minutes for damaged hair. And then this one is for dry hair. So this is a blue one. And it says deep moisture hydration hair sheet mask. So that's nice. And then I found women's deodorant wipes. This is by the Global Beauty Care, and it has no alcohol and aloe vera. And the scent is the powder fresh scent. I tried these already. This is nice to just carry in your bag for the summertime. You go for a walk. Usually my coworkers and I would go out for a walk. We have a track right next to our job. And at lunchtime we go for a nice walk. You freshen up, but you're not feeling, you know, stinky, smelly. Nice and fresh. And there's 25 wipes that come in here. I should have picked them more than one. Maybe I can go back and get some more. It's called Freshen Up on the Go. This is nice. And then this I found to be interesting. It's a beauty cream by Pond's, and it's 1.35 fluid ounce, and it's an anti-mark for natural color beauty cream. Should I open it? It says it's clinically proven to fade away dark marks for natural color. If I can open this. Okay. If I can open this today, I'll definitely feel like, you know, SpongeBob, like 8 hours later. I love that. Okay, yay, I was able to open it. Alright. And Pond's is a good product. Okay. It's a beauty cream for perfect color complex. It says it's a smooth glow beauty cream for normal to dry skin. Advanced vitamins B3 and double brightening formula boost skin's natural brightening ability from deep inside. Clinically proven to fade away dark marks for natural color outside. Okay. Just want to split it. Oh, it smells nice. Alright. So I'll let you guys, it has a nice Pond. I love the Pond smell. Okay, I'll let you guys know how this works out for me. Because I'm going to be honest, a lot of times I have tried products from the Dollar Tree. Not Pond's though. And my face has broken out. So I'm going to give this a try. And I'll let you guys know, keep you guys updated. And speaking of creams, I picked up a eczema relief moisturizing lotion. And this has chamomile flower and collodion oatmeal. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. But it's a fragrance-free, non-greasy. And this I want to try out. It says it's very similar to Dermasil. Oh, actually, it's by Dermasil. Sorry. Okay. This is 6 ounces. Okay. And my bath bombs for my little ones. They love their bath bombs. Fun times. And this is in the Galactic Vanilla Berry. So, it's nice because you get 3 for $1. Did I go through everything? Oh, no. I guess leave the best for last. This is a root lifting serum. This is for areas that you have thinning. Like for instance, when I was younger, I thought I was Selena. And I would make my hair into this big huge bun, but I would go so hard on pulling my hair and getting it to that perfect bun. So throughout the years, I got a little thinning on the side of my hair. So I wanted to try this out. And it says it's organic with quinoa and caffeine. And it's vegan, sulfate-free, gluten-free for thicker, fuller hair. So it's a root lifting serum. So I'll try it out. Oh, and it's nice. It has a nice smell. Okay. So I picked up 3 bottles because if it works. See, the thing with Dollar Tree is if you see something and you pick it up, and if you don't pick it up, you go back, it's gone. Especially products like this. If you see it, pick it up and pick up a few and back up because you're not going to get it for this price anymore. And so I think I have covered everything. Thank you for passing by my channel. Until next time, Discount Diva.